Good morning. I'm going to the gym today alone because my has a meeting, so he's attending the meeting. He will be attending the meeting, and once he's done with his work, he's gonna head to the gym. Then it's sunny, it's beautiful, it's windy, super excited. Mondays, never miss a Monday kind of thing. Well, we don't like missing any of the days, but yeah. Mondays are motivational Mondays. Tuesdays are transformational Tuesdays. Anyways, let's go to the gym, work out. I'm gonna do full body today, and then once I come back from the gym, I'm gonna sit in the evening with some time, and I'm gonna make a good workout for myself, like kind of focused workout. Like Monday should be upper body and abs focused kind of a workout where I can push more for my upper body and then abs, and Sunday legs kind of thing. And I'm also gonna shoot a video recipe for you guys for my cooking YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. I will give the link below once I make the recipe in this video, and let's go to the gym. Okay, I'm back from the gym. I'm done with my bathing. I look fresh and nice and clean. I'm gonna go make lunch. My is in a meeting, so that is why I'm talking softly. So I'm gonna make lunch. I'm gonna make vermicelli for lunch. It's gonna be a quick lunch, and once lunch is done, I'm gonna be shooting a recipe for dinner. So I'm gonna be shooting a recipe, and that is what we're gonna eat for dinner. So I will let you know what I'm making for dinner in some time, but for now I'm making veggie vermicelli. So let's go and start cooking. minutes. I'm gonna saute them for like 2 to 3 minutes and then add the potatoes. And I'm gonna chop up some green chili and tomatoes. Recently I started using stainless steel pans and I find them even better than the non-stick pans. They give such a good caramelization. I love it. I'm gonna add potatoes in here. I always have frozen peas at home because it's so easy. Okay, I added green chilies and tomatoes. I'm gonna give it a good mix. Added in the vermicelli and I'm gonna add a little bit of water so that it steams and cooks on its own. Just gonna cover it with the lid again and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Hey guys, I am just prepping everything for the video that I'm going to shoot right now, and I'm just prepping everything. I wanted to show you really quickly. So I made this recipe today for you guys over here. This is baked French toast, and I'm going to upload the recipe in my website, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to start prepping everything. Hey guys! Okay, see, all the lights are on. We have to switch on the candles. We have to light the candles over there. And the lights outside are also on for Diwali. As you know, our Indian festival is almost here, and it's called Diwali. It's like a festival, so that is why we have lights everywhere. And I am ready to shoot a video over here. I have prepped everything. I'm gonna make paneer fried rice. So that is what is over here. Everything is ready. My camera, tripod, and just Just waiting for my ink to come and adjust a little bit lighting for me, and then I'm gonna start editing. I'm gonna start shooting. And Marvel, Marvel. What happened? Are you hiding in the screen? What happened? So I'm gonna be shooting 2 videos back to back, and so that I have a little bit of stock, so that if sometimes I don't have time or I go out, I at least don't run out of videos. I still upload some videos for you guys so that you guys don't get bored and you always get recipes, amazing recipes from me. So let's get started.
Hey everyone, so sorry about not vlogging a lot of things today with you guys, and as a matter of fact, it is good and bad news both. Bad news is that we couldn't vlog a lot of things, but the good news is the reason why we couldn't vlog is because Tanya has been shooting 2 recipe videos, and I have been helping her because she started shooting in the evening. So after I got off the work, I was able to help her in recording those videos. So we have been shooting those 2 amazing recipe videos. One of the recipe is my very favorite rice recipe, and she loves it too. We literally fight over it. So that recipe is paneer fried rice, and you can find the link above and in the description box. So you can click the card above and you can go to the recipe and check it out. And the other recipe is the amazing dal recipe that is another favorite for us, and it's called mixed dal. And again, you can find the card above to click on it and go and follow the recipe, and you will find the link to the recipe in the description box below as well. So don't forget to check out these 2 amazing recipes, and do give them a shot. Subscribe to our other channel when you check out the recipes, and let us know how they turned out for you, how your family liked it or not. These are simple recipes, easy recipes, quick, not taking too much time to make them, and you can even use like one of like dal recipe is really simple because it just takes instant pot. You put it in, you go do whatever you want to do, and it's cooked by the time you come back home. It keeps it warm and stuff. So if you haven't used an instant pot before, it will be another amazing thing how to cook dal in an instant pot. So well, you guys will see when you go and check out the videos. But for our vlog here, that is the reason why we didn't get a lot of things shot today, but we promise it's Diwali week. We have done a lot of decorations, so maybe on the day of Diwali we'll see you the Diwali decoration, and you'll get a little peek into our apartment tour as well that way. And so that's gonna happen real soon. Happy Dhanteras to everybody who is out there. Let us know what you got on Dhanteras for yourself. And tomorrow is what they call like
Choti Diwali?
Choti Diwali.
I think so.
Choti Deepavali is tomorrow. Like I don't know. Tomorrow is Choti Deepavali, and day after tomorrow is the actual Deepavali. So happy Choti Diwali to everybody, because in India I'm pretty sure it's already morning. So happy Choti Diwali to all you guys, and enjoy this festival of lights and decor, and maybe send us pictures and comments, or tell us how you decorated your house, or give us tips. So what is your favorite thing to decorate your house with? Do you like crackers? Do you not like crackers? Share your story with us in the comment section. Well, so let us know how you're celebrating this Diwali, and what recipes are you cooking? Is there a favorite for you? Share with us, and maybe we'll give it a shot, and if we liked it, we'll tag you, and she will recreate the recipe and share in her kitchen adventures with the big couple. So amazing things going on, because after Diwali we have Thanksgiving and whatnot, and then we are traveling for the whole month. Look at this guy, always a distraction. But a lot of things going on, so stay tuned to this entire episode. We are gonna finish this year really strong.
Yep.
And you will know why. Good night.
Bye-bye.
And have a safe Diwali.